Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how long it takes to make croissants using an easy method. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, showing you how to create those wonderful, flaky layers without excessive complexity. While croissants do require patience, this approach streamlines the effort. You'll learn about the active work time versus the essential chilling and proofing periods, ensuring a successful and delicious bake. This method typically takes about 7 to 8 hours from start to finish. The journey begins with mixing your dough, which is a quick process, usually taking around 15 minutes of active work. After mixing, the dough needs a crucial initial chill. This first rest in the refrigerator should last for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period is vital. It allows the gluten to relax, develops the dough's flavor, and makes it much easier to handle for the subsequent lamination steps. Next, we move to lamination, the secret to those incredible flaky layers. This involves 3 distinct folds. Each fold, where you roll out and fold the dough, takes approximately 10 minutes of active work. Crucially, after each fold, the dough needs to rest and chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This allows the butter to firm up and the dough to relax, preventing tearing and ensuring perfect layers. Finally, we reach the exciting stages of shaping, proofing, and baking. Shaping your croissants typically takes around 20 minutes, depending on your speed. The proofing stage is critical and requires patience, lasting anywhere from 2 to 3 hours at room temperature until they are visibly puffy. Then, into the oven they go. Baking usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, transforming them into golden, flaky perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.